Alright, we're going to be going over Chapter 2, Lesson 13, Homework. So problem 1, pizzas cost $14 each. How many pizzas can you buy with $60? So we have $60 and we're splitting it amongst 14 pizzas. So I'm going to think about how many 14s are in 6. Well, that can't go in. But 14 can go in a 60. Now I got to do a little bit of guessing and checking here. Let's see, 14 times 6. So what's, I'm sorry, not 14 times 6. 14 times 6 would be too much. That would be over 60. So I want to try 14 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Regroup the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 56. That's really close without going over. And I'm going to subtract. A big problem we do is we forget to regroup. We get so caught up in just dividing, we forget to regroup. Oops. So we're left with 4. So I have 4 remainder 4. So what does that even mean? That means we can buy 4 pizzas and we're going to have $4 left over. So my quotient is 4, my remainder is 4. I can buy 4 pizzas, and what am I going to do with my remainder? Well, I will ignore it because it's money. We don't have enough money. I don't have enough money for another pizza. Okay. Your class received 150 books. You're placing them in bins. Bins are like boxes or little canvas containers. But each bin holds 20 books. How many bins do you need? So here we kind of talked about how we can cross off zeros to make the problem a little bit easier. Because we have zeros on both the dividend and the quotient, they cross off evenly and they don't come back. 2 can't go into 1, but it can go into 15 7 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract. Now we're left with 1. So how many bins do we need? We need 7 bins, but I have 1 book that doesn't need a bin, but I want to stay organized. So what should we do with that extra book? Well, instead of buying 7 bins, we should buy 8 bins because we can always fill it up with more books. So we round it up. Why do we do that? So each book was in a bin. So the next 2 problems are they say to do partial quotients, but I want you to do the traditional method, and we're not going to show our estimate. So we have 15 and 190. How many 190s are in 15? 15 can't go into 1, but 15 can go into 19 one time. 1 times 5 is 15. Subtract. Bring down. 15 goes into 40. How many times? Twice. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtract. We have 12, remainder 10. I want to make sure I write that in my page, on my page. And our next problem is 427 divided by 30. Now here I have double, because double 15, which is 30. So 30 can't go into 4, but it can go into 42 one time. Now subtract. Alright, now I'm going to bring down the 7. 7 goes into 127. Well, let's think about that. 30 times, let's try 7. 7 times 7, oh no, that would not, that's way too much. So I have to adjust my quotient here, so I gotta think about that. 30 times 3 is 90, so let's try times 4. 120. Oh, that works perfectly. So 14 remainder 7. Make sure you write that in, and then do the back.